You're good.
You're good.
You're making me look real good right now, man.
You know we ain't doing nothing to Kanye, but all right, cool. It's great for media.
Let's take it to the audio bit.
Yeah, I believe so. I actually brought some hats in that have a bit of a transition. That's trying to put you up there, Father. I made a hat that says "Make America Great." Just that. But I would love to see at the Super Bowl, Trump wearing the "Make America Great" hat, Colin wearing the "Make America Great" and showing that we can benefit on this side, we can benefit on this side, and we can learn how to be malleable in the infinite universe that we are, and loving beings that we are.
I mean, you know, he's reaching for the stars.
Crazy, bro. Yo, you know how many people he got going crazy, like upset right now?
The man said he wants to see Colin and Trump at the Super Bowl.
He know what's going on with all this NFL and, you know, protesting, and he's just gonna put the icing on the cake and just get everybody riled up.
There's so many more sound bites that we're going to break down tonight, what's going on with them. We'll get into that coming up later on. Right now, we're getting real close to it.
Absolutely. We got some hollering. Wait, what?
Halloween.
I'm trying to say Halloween and horror same bit. Yeah, we got that coming up at around what? 8 o'clock.
Now this is dope. Orlando's only R&B is live on iHeartRadio. Download the iHeartRadio app and take Star 94.5 everywhere you go. Listen 24/7. Rewind live radio and save what you heard straight to your phone. This is how we do it.
T-bone steak, baby.
Play it App Store.
Come off the grill.
Everywhere.
That's right. That's how black people like T-bone steak, baby. It ain't dry.
Time is
It's
money.
just
Our
right.
only goal is to help our clients receive financial compensation for their injuries due to an auto accident. No games or gimmicks, just results. No fees or costs if no recovery. AbercrombiePA.com. Office One Park.
No one ever plans for an overnight stay behind bars. Call Quick Release Bail Bonds. Always fast, private, and confidential. 407-648-0030. Bonds posted in
All right, YouTubers. I'm going to download this here to go with what I ate today. And I'm going to come back and I'll be with you guys later, okay? All right, YouTubers.
Ancestors use this noise for despair. In modern times, it expresses commisery. The misery